lighting is a mess. Half the kids don't even have costumes yet. I can't believe we have to open tomorrow.
The most important thing is for the kiddos to have fun. They're learning a lot just from being on stage.
But what if it is a mess? Everyone will blame us.
Most parents will love just seeing their kids on stage. Look at them, so cute.
If you say so. How can you be so calm?
Well, it took me a while to get here. When something's not working, I focus on what I can do about it. That keeps me from worrying too much.
All right, costumes. Maybe we can ask all the parents to bring any spares they have? And lighting.
Let me ask Sam to figure something out.
Okay, ladies, I'll walk the kids back to class. Are you sure you can finish by yourselves?
Yes, we're good.
Maya's wearing mismatched socks today. And just look at what she drew in school. She must have heard me arguing with her dad. I'm a terrible mom. What must her teachers think of me?
Don't judge yourself so harshly. It's hard to balance being a parent and a professional and a spouse.
You seem to be able to do it all. You take excellent care of Noah, your work, your husband.
My life's not perfect either. Far from it. I actually worked with a coach last year.
Did it help?
I was having problems at work. My marriage was having trouble. I was really overwhelmed. Coaching helped a lot. I'm still applying what I learned every day.
It makes me feel better knowing I'm not the only one having a hard time finding my way.
Yes, we talked about that too in coaching. Validation helps, even in small doses.
Validation?
When we validate, we let someone know that we really understand them, that who they are, their feelings, thoughts, or actions make sense.
It's like complimenting someone to make them feel better.
Getting a compliment can be nice, but it's not the same as being validated. Sometimes compliments can feel invalidating.
How so?
Like last Saturday, Noah had been acting out all day, no idea why. Sam and I almost canceled the sitter and our date night. But we decided to go ahead, half expecting a call. When we're back, the sitter tells us what an angel of a child we have. He's been so mellow, etc. Now, I'm sure she wanted to compliment us on Noah, which normally would make me feel good. But when she called him an angel and we'd been at our wits' end with him just hours before, it did not match my experience at all. It felt really invalidating.
I know. Sometimes kids act better with a perfect stranger. So frustrating.
See, your comment feels validating. It was frustrating. To be fair, I had to work at being validating. It did not come naturally. One session. What do you mean I can try validating Sam to diffuse our fighting? He doesn't understand me. He should be validating me.
It makes sense to want to be validated by Sam, but we don't control other people, so you can't change what he does.
I know. I can only work on myself.
Right. Let's try this. We'll role play. I'm you and you're Sam. First, we'll role play your fight, then we'll do it again and add validation.
Okay. I was asked to present my project to senior leadership in a few days.
You must be thrilled. You had great results.
I know. I'm just concerned about how it'll go.
Listen, you've got nothing to worry about. You're a great presenter.
Not at that level. This will be my first.
No matter what happens at work, you're still not happy.
It's complicated.
You should celebrate. Anyway, why do we always have to talk about your work?
We're not always talking about my work.
Yes, we are. I'm sick of it. How did you, Sam, feel?
Not great. Like you weren't really getting it. I'll admit it was interesting to role play his part.
Gives you a different perspective, doesn't it? As we were talking, did you feel motivated to validate me, Sophia?
Nope. I was getting more and more upset because you weren't seeing my point.
Okay, now let's try adding some validation. See how that feels.
I need to present my project to senior leadership in a few days.
You had great results. How do you feel about presenting?
Kind of mixed feelings. It's an accomplishment for sure, but I'm still concerned about how it'll go.
That makes sense. I would be nervous too. You haven't presented a lot at that level, right?
Right.
And it is an accomplishment. Maybe this is a time to feel both pride and pressure at the same time.
I think so. Enough about my work. I know it's late. How was your day?
Let me tell you. How did you, Sam, feel this time?
Different. Definitely different. I didn't feel like fighting with you.
Validation feels soothing. It can take the edge out of feeling upset and makes us feel closer.
I get it. Validation was one of the most meaningful skills I got out of coaching. It may have saved our marriage.
Really?
Last year, even when we weren't fighting, we were just not really seeing each other.
I think it's the same for me and my husband. It's hard.
For sure. We'd be talking and Sam would get distracted by his phone or something, and all of a sudden I'd feel invisible, like I didn't matter.
So what did you do?
First, we both needed to see we had a problem and what the problem was.
So being 100% present with someone is the simplest way to validate, but it takes effort.
I get it.
Great, let's try something. Sam, I want you to tell Sophia about how your day went yesterday. Pick something meaningful for you. Sophia, I want you to do everything but pay attention to Sam. Be creative. Ready?
I guess.
Oh, yes.
Go.
So, yesterday I listened to this amazing history podcast. You know, I really like history. It was about the greatest empires, Mongols, Persians. Hey, I can't talk like this.
Of course not. Now start over. This time, Sophia, pay attention 100%. Then we'll switch places.
Then we worked on being really present for each other. We started with a few minutes at a time. At first, we both wanted to compulsively check email every 5 minutes. We had to bring our attention back again and again.
That sounds like mindfulness.
Yes, this was practicing mindfulness by being aware of someone else, noticing the mind wandering, and bringing it back to them.
So your relationship is better now.
It is. Sam and I both did our parts, validated more, judged less.
Now that you say that, I guess I judge myself a lot.
Tell me about it. I used to be my worst critic. Self-validation, listening to ourselves, understanding our own thoughts or emotions can be even more powerful than being validated by someone else.
Did you stop seeing your real coach?
Yes, we stopped after a few months. She told me from the beginning that the objective of coaching was to develop skills to better manage my life. Her goal was to work herself out of a job with me, and I guess she did. Coaching helped me understand myself better, see where I'm strong, accept my limitations. I work with myself better now and have more self-compassion. My life is not easy. Sometimes it gets messy. I don't need to do everything perfectly to be content. So you see, over time, I sort of became my own coach.
I can see you from afar. One is never quite enough. Hard to act so tough. It's a reflex in my hand, moving like we already planned. The tension starts to rise. Look into my eyes.